It is definitely easy. I can sing this like 10 times.
Hey everyone, Ivan here. In today's episode, I wanted to celebrate and share a 3-month before and after with one of my students, Yifan. I love doing these before and afters because hopefully this before and after might inspire some of you to get started with singing or even take lessons yourself. Now for context, when Yifan first met me a couple of months ago, he was actually pretty good as a singer. He was doing a lot of things correctly, but similar to some of you, he was having trouble with his high notes or just having trouble going up and down his range. He noticed he had to strain or push quite a bit harder to get to some of his notes. And what that meant is when he was singing songs, it was often tricky for him to even finish the song. And you'll hear some instances of this even when he was vocalizing on scales. For example,
Mom, 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 mom,
yep,
mom, 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 mom,
again.
mom, 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 mom.
Notice it sounds like he's always kind of doing a bit more to get to those high notes, and sometimes he'd even crack and lose control altogether, as opposed to something like this from one of our later lessons.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Well done.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Well done. Very clean. Coming down. Now, of course, vocalizing on scales is one thing. Singing through songs is another beast altogether. Here is a before and after in the context of a song. Before,
你能体谅我有一天偶尔胆怯，你都了解。
after.
谁能体谅我有一天，所以情愿你都了解，此刻脚步。
Anyway, that is a before and after. I had to keep the clips a bit shorter to avoid copyright. He sounds great in both of these kind of clips, but notice how when Yifan goes to some of those high notes, it's a lot easier for him to get them. Now, don't just take my word for it. This is what Yifan said, to a song that used to feel so tricky for him, right? This is what he said after singing it in our most recent lesson.
It is definitely easy. I can sing this like 10 times.
And really, for a lot of us, that's what we want as singers. We want to be able to sing a song, have it feel easy, have it sound great, and be able to do it again and again and again. So this is our before and after. Hopefully it has inspired you to take action. It has inspired you to get started or, even pursue singing lessons. If that's something you're interested in and you want to study with me, there are links down in the description on how you can do so. Apart from that, my name is Ivan. I'm your voice teacher, and I'll see you every single Thursday or Friday for these weekly episodes. Take care.